Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Tool Chicks. Today, we are replacing door hinges. Okay, let's grab our supplies. You will need a cordless drill and a new hinge kit. The easiest way to install door hinges is to leave the door in place. There is no need to remove the door if you replace hinges one at a time. Screw the new hinge into place. Repeat the same process for each remaining hinge. It's such a simple project that takes minutes to do and helps complete this newly updated room.